So today I'm talking about a P2185 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P2185 code? Well, it's an Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor to circuit high. And what does this mean? Well, basically, there's what's called engine coolant temperature sensors, which just report back to the computer how hot the engine's getting. And one of these sensors, mainly the sensor 2, the computer's seeing some kind of issue with it, that it's not working correctly. And so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P2185 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that engine coolant temperature sensors just failed, and it just needs to be replaced. If you do go to work on your vehicle, you will need to get a diagram where all the sensors are located, since there can be multiple engine coolant temperature sensors. And what this code is pointing to the engine coolant temperature sensor number 2. For example, right here, here's a 2009 Honda, and it'll be located down on the radiator. But this is going to vary. It's going to depend on the vehicle, the year, the manufacturer, different things like this. And so you will need to get a diagram where all those sensors are located to know which one is sensor 2. Once you locate that engine coolant temperature sensor, there's some different ways to go about testing it. If you have a multimeter, you could test it when it's cold, and then you can let the engine warm up and see if the values change, and different things along these lines. If you have a good OBD2 scan tool, quite often they'll have live data readings where you can check to see what the engine coolant temperature sensor readings are. And if it's really off, say it's saying like 500 degrees Fahrenheit or something that's obviously not correct, then you know it's bad. Like I said, there's some different ways to go about testing it, but the first thing that could cause this is a bad engine coolant temperature sensor. The next thing that could cause this is the wiring going to the sensor. If there's any kind of problems with it, like an open, a short, a bad connection, something along these lines, then that's going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. You will need to get a schematic for your particular vehicle to know for sure what's going on with the voltage going to the sensor. For example, it's very common for 5 volts to be going to these sensors, and then depending on the resistance of the sensor, that voltage is going to drop, and the computer can read this and calculate what the temperature is. So it's very common for 5 volts to be coming in on one pin, and then the other pin to be going back to the computer. But again, this can vary, so be sure to get a schematic for your particular vehicle to know for sure what's going on. But the next thing that could cause this is some kind of wiring problem. And the last thing on the list is going to be some kind of overheating or cooling system issues. For example, if the engine's overheating, then the sensor is going to be reading really high, and the computer can send out this code. Of course, if the engine is overheating, that very likely is going to be very noticeable. The engine's going to be running badly. Also very likely you're going to be getting many other codes. So if you are getting a lot of other codes, be sure to pay attention to that. But the last thing on the list is going to be some kind of cooling system issues. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P2185 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.